Hello all. In this tutorial, we will be learning on how to install Python. Now simply go to your browser and type python.org into your URL. You will be redirected to the Python's official website. Now we need to make sure that we are installing the official IDE of Python from their official website. There are many different IDEs such as Jupyter Notebook, PyCharm, Visual Studio Codes, and etc. But in today's tutorial, we will be installing the Python IDE from their official website. Now simply go to downloads and you can see that you can download the Python 3.9.0, which is the latest version for Windows. You may even go ahead and install different versions accordingly. But in today's tutorial, we will be installing the 3.9.0 version. Simply scroll down and click on Python 3.9.0. This is the stable release of Python 3.9.0. Also, we need to make sure that this installer now also actively disallows installation on Windows 7. So if we may need to install lower versions of it if we have a Windows 7 machine. Now simply scroll down and we will be installing the Python Windows 86 64-bit executable installer. You may even go ahead and install the Mac OS 64-bit installer in case you have a different operating system like Mac or Linux. Now we will click on this and simply save it into our local machines. In my case, I have already saved it. Now we will go to downloads and double click on the executable file. We need to make sure that we add Python 3.9 to the path, that is the environment variables. We are setting our environment variables directly to the path. The launcher itself does it. We click on it and we click on install now. Now the setup progress will complete its installations. Let us wait till then. And the setup is successful. Now you may also go on the documentation page of Python to learn Python and even understand the different versions of Python and what all updations have been done in it. Now we will execute a short program in order to see that whether the installation has been successful or not. Let's go ahead. So we have successfully installed the IDE of Python version 3.9.0. Now let us execute a program. Welcome to analytics domain. So let us print this line. And yes, well done. It's been printed. That's it. I hope you all have understood how to install the Python onto your local machines. Thank you very much.